chapter number 5, heat, problem based on this chapter. Equal heat is given to the two objects A and B of a mass 1 gram. Temperature of A increased by 3 degrees Celsius and B by the 5 degrees Celsius. Which object has more specific heat and by what factor? So what is given? So we write down here, making this table, object A and B, the mass of both object 1 gram, and the heat, which is delta T, given to the object A, which is 3 degrees Celsius, and object B 5 degrees Celsius. So our equation is QA is equal to QB. So CA and CB formula, Q is equal to M into C into delta T. So QA is equal to QB means 1 into CA specific heat into 3 is equal to 1 into CB, which is specific heat of object B, into 5. So 3 ones are 3 into CA, 5 into CB. So CA is equal to 5 upon 3 CB. Therefore, the A object have the more heat, it is by a factor. Then the problem next. Liquid ammonia is used ice factory for making ice from water. If water at 20 degrees Celsius is to be converted into 2 kg ammonia are to be evaporated. So again here we write down the QA and QB, ice and ammonia mass, ice 2 kg and ammonia we write down M because we want to find the mass of ammonia. Then C is equal to 1 kilocalorie, T1 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius, T2 is equal to 0 degrees Celsius because we taken the ice, and L is equal to latent heat, which is 80 kilocalorie, for B 341 calorie, which is given in your problem. So we want to find the M1 mass of ammonia. So we know that the QA is equal to QB. So QA is equal to MC delta T and Q is equal to ML. So QA is equal to MC delta T plus ML and QB is equal to M1 L1. Putting the value in this equation, MC delta T plus ML is equal to M1 L1. M is 2 into 1 into 20 minus 0 plus 2 into 8 is equal to M2 into latent heat 341. So 2 into 20 minus 0 plus 2 into 8 is equal to M2 into 341. So we get 160 plus 40 is equal to M2 into 341. Then problem number 3, ice. A thermally insulated pot has a 150 gram ice at a temperature 0 degrees Celsius. How much steam of 100 degrees Celsius has to be mixed to it so that the water temperature of 50 degrees Celsius will be obtained? Okay, so again we write down the QA, QB, steam and ice. M, we want to calculate the ice weight 150 gram, specific heat 1 calorie. T1 of steam is 100 degrees Celsius and T2 50 degrees Celsius. QB 0 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Latent heat 540 degree and 80. The latent heat is given your problem. So again QA is equal to QB. So Q is equal to MC delta T and Q is equal to ML. So again we write down the formula, QA is equal to M1 L1 plus M1 C1 delta T and QB is equal to M2 L2 plus M2 C2 delta T2. So we putting the value in this equation, QA is equal to QB. M1, we want to find the mass of the steam. So M1 into 540 plus M1 into 1 plus into 50 is equal to M2 150 is given. M2 150 into 80 plus 150 into 1 into 50 degree. So M1 is equal to, we common M1 common in bracket 540 plus 50 is equal to 2000 plus 7500. So M1 is equal to 12,000 plus 75,000 upon 590. Solving this, we get the M1 is equal to 33.0.5 gram. Then the problem number D. A calorimeter has a mass 100 gram and a specific heat 0.1 kilocalorie. It contains 250 gram of liquid at a 30 degrees Celsius having the specific heat of 0.4 kilocalorie per kg degree Celsius. If we drop a piece of ice of mass 10 gram at a 0 degree Celsius, what will be the temperature of the mixture? So here we give taken the ice, liquid and calorimeter. Then mass 10 gram of ice, liquid 250 gram and calorimeter 100 gram. Then specific heat for ice 1, for liquid 0.4 and for calorimeter 0.1. T1 is for ice 0 degree Celsius, for liquid 30 degree Celsius and calorimeter 30 degree Celsius. And T2 we want to calculate, so we write down here TTT. Latent heat of ice 80 degrees kilocalorie given. So here we taken the formula Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. Q is MC delta T and Q is equal to ML. So Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. So ML plus MC delta T is equal to M1 C1 delta T1 plus M2 C2 delta T2. So putting the value 10 into 80 plus 10 into 1 into T minus 0 degree is equal to 250 mass of the liquid into 0.5 specific heat of liquid into 30 the temperature of liquid minus T change in temperature plus 100 mass of calorimeter into 0.1 specific heat of calorimeter into into 0 minus T. So simplifying this, we get the 800 plus 10T is equal to 3000 minus 100T plus 300 minus 10T. 10T plus 100T is equal to 3300 minus 800. So 120T is equal to 2500. So T is equal to 2500 divided by 120 is equal to 20.83 degrees Celsius, which is our answer.